cop up there.
Look at this guy.
Yeah, y'all scared me that first one, bro. I was not ready for it. I wasn't ready for it.
That's hilarious.
Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Chase. You're watching Prodigy TV. If you've ever wondered just how tall I am, leave a comment below and I'll let you know if you're right or wrong. I'm not that tall. But anyways, we'll let you guys off with us mounting the cruise ship or the battleship horn on top of the Humvee last. Since then, we have got everything working, got it all wired up, plumbed up, and today we're gonna take it to Walmart and downtown Monroe, and we're gonna just see if we can scare anybody with it or just how loud it is. Should we blow the horn, Houston, and give them kind of a little teaser?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll stand back here.
We're gonna do train horn first and then battleship horn. That was the train horn.
Yeah.
Definitely compensating with something on this. Let's just go to town and we'll have fun with you guys. Come on. There's a cop up there. Hey, if you guys want a battleship horn, I'm gonna link Hornblasters below. Go pitch you one in the cart.
Got kicked out?
Well, he didn't kick us out. He's like, I'm gonna ask you not to honk that in this parking lot, sir.
What, he worked here?
Yeah. They came running out with a damn. You should have seen it. What do you think about it?
That's sick.
I love that thing.
You want us to blow it real quick?
Yeah, make me go deaf real quick.
Really?
Yeah, go for it.
You ready?
Up to you, man. Cover your ears.
Oh.
It's gonna be loud.
That is sick,
All of
man.
a sudden you say, when did they put down that railroad track?
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all scared me that first one, bro. I was
Really?
not ready for it. I wasn't ready for it.
That's hilarious.
Oh.
Y'all have a good day.
Bro, that's awesome. Y'all have a good one.
All right, you as well. She's ready.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, spring it up. We're about to go through the McDonald's drive-thru. This should be interesting. I've seen videos where people throw Cokes on people when they piss them off, so we'll see what happens.
Look at this guy.
No, slow. Look at the guy behind us. Throw that, spit this damn hamburger. Man, we ain't got our food yet, Houston.
Why'd you do that?
So all the guys from Defiant are over at Zaxby's eating, which is across the street. They just called me and said, where you at? We heard you blowing the horn. So we're about to go to Zaxby's, circle the whole building, just hold the cruise ship horn down. Ready?
Yep.
Alright, so whenever we put the cruise ship horn on the last video, somebody left a comment and they said, here's a concept. Do stuff that's creative stuff that's not copying other people on YouTube. Your channel will be way better. All you're doing is regurgitating stuff to the T that other people have already done. And I know what he's talking about. I said, name another person who has put a cruise ship horn on top of a Humvee on a turret. And then he's like, Whistle Diesel did that. Alright, first of all, I'm going to show you guys something. Insider scoop. Me and Cody are good. I ain't going to say good buddies, but we're buddies. Love the kid. Love his content. Love everything he's doing. Houston's going to put it right here. On July 30th, Cody posted he needed a set of train horns. I sent him my inside connection with Hornblasters. His name is Spencer. Sent him the contact. I said, he will set you up with train horns. He's a warehouse manager for them. Cody replied back what his thoughts were about Hornblasters. I said, why don't you like them? He said, I need real metal train horns off an actual train. I said, for real, Nathan train horns. Spencer said he has them. It's an actual horn off a train and refurbished. He could probably get them to you over the weekend. He said, again, I've heard Hornblasters and they just never sounded right. Are they actual Nathans? I said, yes. And I said, get you this. This is my TikTok. I said, that's what you need on Monster Max 2. I said, for real, trust me, I wouldn't tell you to get some garbage or weak ass horns. Spencer has Nathan's. They'll do it. He said, okay, send me his contact info if you will. So then he went to Instagram, which is, trust me, I don't get mad about this because it's my content, his content, two different things. He posted he wanted a cruise ship horn. I said, dude, they have the cruise ship horns. Ask them about one. I said, I'm pitting mine on a turret, which you can see right here. And the little doohickey thing that I said is going on my turret. And this was back in July 30th. So to clear up the little haters that I'm copying someone, I've had this done. It's been in the works since probably the beginning of July, middle of June. But I couldn't do nothing because I'm in contract with Hornblasters. This is for SEMA. They didn't want it out out in the open. But now that we're like a week away from SEMA, I'm allowed to post it, share it, make content with it. So here it is. That's what we're doing today. So anyone who thinks that I'm copying someone, I'm not.
This man told Cody to buy the freaking horn. That's what that is. So you're welcome for y'all who watched Cody's video and liked his horn.
Yeah, and if you don't like Cody, he's a cool guy. Trust me. We've hung out before, drank beer together. Everyone's like, he's an arrogant prick. He's actually super cool, down to earth. It's all entertainment for you guys. That's all it is. I have nothing bad to say about anyone. But anyways, now we're about to go to the golf course and we're gonna keep scaring the shit out of people with this big ass horn. Yeah. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap this video up. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. But for now, we gotta get this thing into detail. We got all this mud, we gotta get all this cleaned up and all that, because it's a SEMA truck now. It's 100% show truck. It's never gonna see rain again. So we gotta get it spotless. About to go shoot some guns. By the time you see this video, the gun video will already be out. Hope you guys enjoy it.